What Ibrahim Traore is doing in Burkina Faso is a great work. Congratulations. Forward is the way we must go. No more relying on the Mossad, them from far away. Them be promised with things, but not only chains and sorrow them deliver. We got the land, we got the resources, we got the brains. Now only unity and determination we need. See how Traore take charge. No, they fear them big countries where they try tell us what to do. He they stand strong for his people, for Burkina Faso. Yeah, we stand strong. Oh, the enough is the enough. African stand tall. The enough is the enough. Africans give your all. Them they try to tell us, say we no fit, say we too corrupt. But look at Burkina Faso, see as them they disrupt. That be the kind leadership we need across the continent. Leaders we put Africa first, go fight for our interests. Leaders we no go sell out for foreign money. We need to support them, encourage them, learn from them. This new generation, we no go accept the old ways. The time for begging is done. The time for building is now. Building, building, Africa rise. Since independence, now who they control? Now the same old colonial hand they dig in our hole. They talk about democracy, but now hypocrisy full ground. Traore say enough is enough, time to turn things around. No more French soldiers patrolling our streets. No more mining companies stealing our sweets. We go support the brave leaders, the ones where they fight for we right. Them go call them names, them go try to dim them lights, but the spirit of Sankara still they burn. And the time for Africa to rise don't come. Yes, we rise, we rise. The enough is the enough. Africans be strong. The enough is the enough. Africa belongs to us. We go support the brave leaders, the ones where they fight for we right. Them go call them names, them go try to dim them lights, but the spirits of Sankara still they burn. And the time for Africa to rise don't come. The enough is the enough. Africans wake up. The enough is the enough. Africans wake up. We are more than capable enough to manage our own affairs. What Ibrahim Traore is doing in Burkina Faso is a great one. Congratulations. Forward is the way we must go. The enough is the enough. Africans wake up. The enough is the enough. Africans wake up. We are more than capable enough to manage our own affairs. What Ibrahim Traore is doing in Burkina Faso is a great work. Congratulations. Forward is the way.